bride-to-be for 2023. Wedding, June 11th, 2023. So super excited about that. I am just doing another video and gonna show you guys some of the things that I got from my friends that are really, really fun and have been super exciting to open up and get at home. So I wanna share with you guys. As you guys know, I've been getting my subscriptions. It's super cute. Box is super cute. This box was one of my favorites. And I think I say that every time. I think they just get better and better. I'm hoping, knocking on wood, that this continues. So really excited about it. Truthfully, I want to show you everything that I got. And I hope you guys subscribe to a box. It's really fun. Hopefully somebody gets it for you. That's ideal, obviously. But yeah, I want to show you what I got. It's my favorite. So let's get right into it. So we'll just start with this here. We got our little sign. I don't want to take it out because I don't want to get my fingerprints on it, but it's super cute. It says cards and gifts. It comes with a little stand so that we can put it on our table and we can have our card box there. Really excited to use this, and it's super cute. I definitely love this like acrylic sign. I think it's adorable. The other things we got, so cute. The premium silky sleep mask. So it's very adorable. I want to wear it the night of, the morning of, everything. It's so cute. Cannot wait. I love it. Gabe was like, my fiance was like, I want one of those. Obviously that says Mr., but I was like, maybe I can make you one. My friend actually has a Cricut, so we get to make some really cool stuff. So that would be something that we could make, right? The next thing that I got is a little treat for your dancing feet, it says. It's a little pouch. It actually has shoes in here that we can, like slippers, that you can wear for dancing, and so that way your feet don't hurt. And it's a really cute bag. It's small, so I can put it in my bag that I plan on wearing for the wedding. And I'm really excited about it. I think it's adorable, super cute. The next thing, we actually got lace wedding garter sets. So it comes with two. I was like, why do I need two? And then it dawned on me. I read the back. So basically, yeah, we're going to toss one. We're going to do the traditional garter toss, which is awesome. And then I definitely want to keep one. I am going to probably make a shadow box or some sort of memory box for the wedding. So I definitely want to keep the other one in the box, which it kind of says to do on the back. So if you don't want to do this, the garter toss, I understand. It's not for everybody. Don't do it. Keep it. You have two. Give it as a gift. Whatever you want to do. It's your box. The next thing we got, this is so cool. I didn't even think of this, even though I've seen it. I've seen people like chalk their car. I've seen people writing like Venmo us and get us a drink for our wedding day, or like bachelorette parties, you know. But this is like a little vinyl just married window decal. I think it's super cute. Love it. Adorable. Cannot wait to use it. One of the other things that we got, I feel like there was so much stuff in my box. Like, I don't know. I think there's always stuff, but definitely a lot of stuff in this box. We have high heel protectors. So I haven't really disclosed where I'm getting married, but there is going to be an outdoor area where we can take photos, indoor, outdoor. And these are going to be perfect for when we're taking photos in the grass. I didn't even know these were a thing, but so that way you don't sink in when you're taking your photos. And they're reusable, and they're really small, like easy to keep in your bag. So I think this is awesome. I'm really excited. The next thing, Gabe and I want to write our own vows to each other. I want to write our own vows. I'm like nervous because I don't I'm not great with words, and I'm nervous I'm going to mess something up. I'm going to say it wrong. I'm going to sound silly. But we definitely want to do a first look, do our vows then, as well as during the ceremony. So I was really excited to buy vow books, but we actually got some. So they come with a little satin ribbon that we'll put on there as well, and we can take photos with. I'm really excited. We don't actually have to buy them. So this really alleviates a lot of the stuff that I had to get, which is amazing. And that's actually it for my box this week. So I'm really excited. I love the box. Like I said, best box I've gotten so far. And that's tough because my past boxes have been really, really good. And I'm really excited to see what else I'm going to get. And then the same day that I opened up my box, I went to my mailbox, and I found that my friend had gotten me something too. So she got me this bride necklace. It's so cute. I'm so excited. I have one that's letters, so this is a bit different. It's super cute. I cannot wait to wear it. Whether it's me going to a bridal expo, because I've gone to a lot of them. Gabe and I have gone to quite a bit of bridal expos. Very fun. We've won so much stuff, which I'll talk to you guys about because I think it's really beneficial to at least go to one, get your name out there, get your wedding date out there, learn about the different people in your community, local, further away, whatever. But yeah, I've worn mine there. I've worn it when I tried on dresses. I thought it was really cute. So I'm really excited about it. I cannot wait to wear it. Cannot wait to post photos. Cannot wait to show you guys. And yeah, definitely let me know what you guys are getting in your boxes. Let me know what's to come for my box. And let's chit chat in the comments. Say what you like. Say what you didn't like. Say what you would use. And let's talk. But awesome, ladies. Have a good one. Bye-bye.